Hello friends, welcome to Tanya's Biology. Today my topic is about proto-oncogene and oncogene. In my previous video, I have already discussed about different types of genes like P53, like other genes which are responsible for the conversions of normal cell into a cancerous cell. Today I discuss about proto-oncogene. What is proto-oncogene? What is oncogene? What are their function? Is the same gene? Yes. Proto-oncogene and oncogenes are same genes, but there is a difference. What is the difference? We will discuss. Oncogenes are those genes which was earlier a proto-oncogene. Oncogenes are those genes which was earlier a proto-oncogene. That means proto-oncogenes is a healthy gene when it normally present in our body. Proto-oncogenes are healthy genes when normally present in our body. Proto-oncogenes became oncogene when it became mutated. What kind of mutation? It could be a deletion, a duplication, a addition, or viral infection. Any kind of damage related to chromosome, any kind of damage that related to the DNA sequence. When a damage causes any faulty formation of the DNA that produces a faulty protein formation by mRNA. Okay, this protein causes the conversion of normal cell into a cancerous cell, Okay, oncogenes are those genes which was earlier a proto-oncogene. That means proto-oncogene became oncogene when it becomes mutated. When a healthy cell having a proto-oncogene, it doesn't cause any problem. It doesn't halt any process, or it doesn't cause any kind of problem in that cell. But when it get mutated, it became oncogene. When it get mutated, it became oncogene. This gene is responsible for the production of oncoprotein. What is the function of oncoprotein? There are two types of functions of oncoprotein. One is induce function, another one is inhibit function. Induce means increases, inhibit means decreases. That means increase the cell division and proliferation rate. As a result, কি হয় যখন সেল ডিভিশন আর পলিফারেশন রেটটা বেড়ে যাচ্ছে, বাড়িয়ে দিচ্ছে এই অঙ্কোপ্রোটিনটা, তখন কি হয় a bulk of cell produces which মানে that means a tumor cell is produces. We all know that when the cell keep on dividing, increases in number but not killed by the process of apoptosis or programmed cell death, then the normal cell turned into a cancerous cell. In case of normal cell, what will happen? In case of normal cell, after the cell became aged, it died by the process of apoptosis. And loses the ability to division and proliferation. But in case of cancerous cell, it inhibit the cell death process. But by the process of apoptosis or programmed cell death. মানে ও কি করছে, সেল ডিভিশন হওয়ার প্রসিডিওরটাকে বাড়িয়ে দিচ্ছে, আর সেল যে মারা যাচ্ছে সেটাকে, সেই প্রসেসটাকে ইনহিবিট করিয়ে দিচ্ছে, কমিয়ে দিচ্ছে, যার ফলে কি হচ্ছে, নর্মাল সেলটা কনভার্ট করছে ক্যান্সেরিয়াস সেল। যদি এটা নর্মাল সেল থাকতো তাহলে কি হতো, আফটার সাম টাইম দ্য সেল লুজেস ইজ এবিলিটি টু বিকেম proliferate, to become divided, and it goes under death pathway like apoptotic pathway or like programmed cell death pathway. But in case of oncoprotein, it induces the cell division and inhibit the cell death process. Okay, what are the functions of proto-oncogene? They are the normal healthy gene. Please clear it. Proto-oncogenes are the healthy gene that are present in the cell, but when it get mutated, what will happen? When it get mutated, it turned into an oncogene. it turned into a oncogene, which is not good for us, then only it becomes a cancerous cell, it forms undifferentiated cell. It keeps on dividing and dividing, and soon or later it will form a tumor cell. Soon or later it will become a tumor cell. From that tumor cell, what kind of tumor cell it is? A malignant tumor cell. A malignant tumor cell then turned into a cancerous cell. And these types of cells achieve few features. These type of cells achieve few features after specific time gap, like angiogenesis, like metagenesis. These are the main features of cancerous cell. Okay, what that means, normally our body have many genes which act normally before it get mutated. These genes are known as proto-oncogene. Proto-oncogenes are responsible for the synthesis of different products. Proto-oncogenes are responsible for the synthesis of different product. What kind of product? Like growth factors, like growth hormone receptors, like GTPase and transcription factor. There are others, other functions are also available, but these are the major functions of proto-oncogene. What are growth factor? C-Cis. We all know that C-Cis is a growth factor. Proto-oncogene produces that factor to grow a cell. Okay. What is growth hormone receptor? EGFR, epidermal growth factor receptor. TKR, tyrosine kinase receptor. If this is a cell, they have receptors where the hormone will come and bind in that position. After the binding, it produces a signal inside the cell and tell the cell to grow and divide. This kind of receptor that we are talking about. What is GTPase? One of the GTPase is RAS, RAS. Okay. These are help in cell signaling process. What is transcription factor? We all know that about MYC, MYC gene. Let me write clearly, MYC, MYC gene. What is the function of MYC gene? This is the transcription factor. It helps in transcription. This is also a proto-oncogene, but it helps in transcription. There are some one common thing is related to all these factors are they are cell leaving pathway. They are related to cell leaving pathway. A cell having two types of pathway, a leaving pathway and a death pathway. These all growth factor, growth hormone receptor, GTPase, transcription factor, these are the factors that help the cell to leave, not to the die, help the cell to leave. Okay. If we consider there are two types of chromosome. If I draw, there are two chromosomes present and both having MYC gene. Let me draw it. Both having MYC gene. One having MYC gene which is colored in green, another having yellow. Okay. If translocation happen, what will cause translocation? Translocation means translocate. It changes its position. That means this yellow portion is cutting from that chromosome and it joined to in this chromosome. That means now this chromosome having two MYC gene. This chromosome having two MYC MYC gene, which induces the production of the transcription rate, which induces the transcription rate, as a result induces the production of mRNA from the DNA, induces the production of mRNA. This mRNA is a faulty mRNA. Mind it, this mRNA is a faulty mRNA. As it induces the process, faulty protein will produce, and this is responsible for the conversion of normal cell into cancerous cell, because this chromosome now having two types, or sorry, two MYC gene, having two MYC gene. Though it having two MYC genes, so it induces the process, and this induces process helps to formation of faulty protein. These are the factors, these are the reasons that are responsible for this conversion, for the conversion of normal gene into cancerous cell, a normal cell into cancerous. These are the factors, these are the oncogenes, are the proto-oncogene. That means proto-oncogenes and oncogenes are the same genes, but when it gets mutated, it becomes a oncogene, which is a cancerous cell, which is responsible for the production of cancerous productile oncoprotein. This oncoprotein induces the cell division and proliferation and inhibit the cell death. Okay, clear it, make it clear. If you have any problem, you can ask me in my comment section. In my next video, I will talk about the tumor suppressor gene. What are the function of TSG gene? If you want to get all the videos, please subscribe, share and like my videos.